Hello, if you wonder if you can use your iPhone 15 as a power bank to charge other devices like other iPhones or other Android phones, I'm gonna quickly check it. So here I have the double USB-C cable, and first I'm gonna plug it to my iPhone 15 and this second end to the iPhone 15 Pro. And as you can see, I can easily charge my iPhone 15 Pro. Let's find if it works for the Android phone. Yes, I can also do this. So I can recharge this Android phone by using my iPhone. So yes, you can use your iPhone 15 as power bank. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.